What are you doing?
Watching you videotaping me.
How did I get here?
It's the best thing ever.
How did I get
Paris, France. February, what day is today? March.
St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Rome.
Rome.
Through Switzerland.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
On a train in Paris, going to... Where are we going? The convention. Yeah. Geneva.
The Geneva Convention.
Girls think it's frozen, so should be fun.
Is that why you planned this? Geneva, Switzerland.
Yeah.
Did you ever think you'd be in Switzerland?
Yeah.
You did? Okay.
Okay, so $1 is 0.83, okay? It's $20 hamburger.
My mom's first appearance. What you got there?
Holy bread.
Chaos on train 2. Chaos on train 2.
nothing to do? There's nothing to say.
What are we doing?
So, normally when you book a train from Paris to Italy, you swing down mostly through France, so you don't really go through much of the Alps.
Yeah.
But we booked this specifically for this leg.
How did I get here?
The Italian Alps aren't that bad. Beautiful. Unbelievable. That's just a little island. How did they get out there?